Welcome to How to Wave. Want to record WhatsApp calls on your iPhone 15 Pro Max? Here's how you can do it. I'll display the steps on the screen. Make sure you follow each one of them carefully. First, enabling the screen recording. Go to Settings, Control Center, and then Customize Controls. Here you have to click on Add Screen Recording. Use a third-party app. Download a recording app like Call Recorder, iCall, or Rev Call Recorder for high quality. Setup recording. Start the app before making your call. Use the speakerphone option for better clarity if using screen recording. Save and share. Your recording will be saved in the Photos app or the third party app. Use iCloud or AirDrop to share if needed. Note: be sure to inform the other party about the recording to respect privacy laws. Like and subscribe for more.